Do you remember the night you won the Super Juniors?
Yeah,
Like
2019.
Lifetime ago, right?
Yeah, mate.
You were carefree. Flew like a bird. For no other reason than that's what birds do, they fly. It was so simple back then. Just chasing that feeling. That's like no other feeling in the world. You can't really grab it in your hands for more than a few seconds. The joy of doing it. And then everybody came in and tried to make everything so overcomplicated. Years pass and life happens. With family, responsibilities. Bad things happen. Bad choices catch up to you. And it's weight. Weight that weighs down on your shoulders. You feel like you can't fly. Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. Nothing is different. Nothing has changed. All those things are still going to be there, but you can still fly. You're just more dangerous. You're a bird of prey.